everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and today I want to show you how to make these lovely cute little snowflake decorations. So they're perfect for the Christmas tree, or you can make them into a garland like I have here, with some Christmas trees on there. So it's a nice long garland alternating snowflakes and Christmas trees, which I'll show you how to make the trees in a separate video, which I'll link in the description below. So the snowflakes are super simple. They're made using Karen Simply Soft Party, which is a category 4 medium weight Aran or worsted weight yarn, and I used a 5mm hook to go with that. It's 99% acrylic and 1% metallic, which gives it this lovely sparkle. I'm not sure if you can see in the video. Yeah, you can a little bit. But you can use any yarn from your stash. Anything that's Aran or worsted weight will work perfectly for this. So let's get started, shall we? So what we're going to do is grab our hook, and we're going to make a magic ring. So this is how I do it. I wrap the yarn around my finger and cross it over. Then I take it off my finger, put my finger on the join so it holds it in place. Use my hook and pull through, and then I rearrange my hand a little bit so it's in my normal crochet way, and then I secure my magic ring like that. So we're going to do 6 single crochets into the magic ring. So we go into the ring, we grab the yarn and pull it up, then we grab yarn over and pull through both loops. And we're going to do 6 of those. So it can be a little bit fiddly working into the magic ring, but I always stick my fingers in the middle of it to hold it still, and that seems to work quite well for me. So that's 5, so 1 more. And then what we need to do is we need to pull our tail to tighten our ring up and make that nice and tight in the middle. And we're going to do a slip stitch into that first stitch just to secure that first round. And yarn over and pull through both of them. So there we go, that's our first round. Now for our second round, we're going to start by chaining 5. And then we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, and we're going to repeat that all the way around. So we're going to chain 5 and slip stitch into the next stitch. So just carry on doing that all the way around. Okay, so when you get all the way around, you're just going to slip stitch back into that first stitch to join off that final one, okay? And then you should have 6 loops all the way around. So round 3, what we're going to do is we're going to work into these chain 5 loops. So we're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to chain 2. And we're going to slip stitch into that chain 2 and pull that through. And then we're going to do 2 more single crochets into the chain 5. So you see you get a little picot there. And we're just going to carry on that all the way around. So we do chain 2, single crochet 2, and I should say this is in US terms, not UK terms, sorry, I forgot to mention that before. So we do 2 single crochets, 2 chains, then slip stitch into the second chain, and then 2 more single crochets. And we're going to do that in each of the chain 5 spaces all the way around your snowflake. if you are using this yarn with a metallic thread, you have to be careful that you don't catch the metallic thread separately to everything else. So I've done my last 2 single crochets, and I'm just going to slip stitch into the first stitch to join, and then that is your snowflake completed. So I go and block that now, and that will make it stay nice and flat with the little points poking out, and then I will show you how to do the Christmas tree in the next video. So click on the link, watch the next video if you want to make your garland the same as mine, and I will see you there.